Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about compare mode of operation of a CCP module of PIC microcontroller. So as we know that CCP module will operate in a three different mode: capture mode, compare mode and PWM mode. Capture mode is going to be useful for measurement of a time duration of an external signals. In compare mode of operation, you can generate a external timing signal. So here in this compare mode of operation, PIC microcontroller CCP 16-bit CCP register value is constantly compared against timer 1 register pair value. So as we know that when you are using a CCP module, we have to turn on timer 1. So when timer 1 is running, so then only you can make use of the features of a CCP module. So otherwise there is no use, it is not going to be useful, it is not going to work. So here in this compare mode of operation, just the 16-bit CCP register value is always compared with the timer 1 register. These two, when there is a match between this 16-bit CCP register value and the 16-bit timer register value, so this will cause the RC2 pin of a PIC microcontroller to be set to either active high, or it may be driven to low, or it may be remain unchanged, which is depends on the that status of that pin will depends on the 4 bits in the CCP control register, that is CCP M0 to M3. So the combination of these four bits will decide whether this compare mode of operation has to try generate a active high signal or active low signal. It may drive a RC2 pin to active high or active low. So when there is a match between this CCP register and timer register value, so along with that setting or resetting of that RC2 pin, so CCP flag will be set to 1. So here is the block diagram that will show actually how this is CCP module is going to be worked in the compare mode of operation. Timer 1 higher and timer 1 lower. So these are separate 8-bit register. So that will combinedly make a 16-bit timer register. So this 16-bit timer register value will be incrementing when it is turned on, when timer 1 is turned on. So always this timer 1 value will be compared with the CCP register value. So when there is a match between this timer value and the CCP register value, so this will cause the CCP IF flag to be set to 1, and also this will drive the RC2 pin to either active low or active high depending on the 4 mode selection bits in the CCP control register. So for example, here in this case, assume that when you are using this CCP module in the compare mode of operation, timer is initialized to 00 when you are using this compare mode of operation, and CCP register is value is set to a 2000. So that means when timer is on and this CCP module is programmed to operate in the compare mode of operation, when this timer 1 value will become 2000, so this will set the CCP IF flag, and also it will drive the RC2 pin to either active low or active high depending on the mode selection bit. So that means here this is going to be useful for generating an external timing signal through RC2 pin. So for example, in this case, it is taking, we are setting that 2000 count. So assume that your PIC microcontroller is operating at a 4 megahertz frequency. So in that case, time required for the one count will be approximately 1 microsecond. So in this case, for 2000 count, so it will take a 2000 microseconds. So that means it will take a approximately 2 milliseconds. So that means if you want to generate a timing signal, active high and active low signal through RC2 pin for every 2 milliseconds, so you can generate the you can use the CCP module to operate in the compare mode of operation, and you can set the corresponding value in the CCP register. So this is the way that CCP module is going to be used in the system design. So and this will conclude the compare mode of operation of a CCP module. So thank you all for watching this video.